Sup guys, today I'm going to be riding my dirt bike. This is the first time ever I'm using a camera while riding it. So I don't have a GoPro, so don't mind the footage. Let me know if you like it. I'll continue doing it. Let's go. For some reason I'm choosing not to use my tripod and my phone. So it's going to be shitty footage, but it's just testing it out. So I think I'm going to check for spiders. I don't flippin' know, man. And I'm gonna fill it up with a little bit of gas. It's really good on gas, but fucking footage, the camera's going crazy. It's like pop. I don't know. What the fuck am I doing? Do this. Wait, did I do this wrong? No. I don't know. I think I'm fucking doing this wrong. I don't know. Here we go. Like, I don't know, I'm not really going far, and it's like end of season, so I don't know. It's like super fucking empty though. Oh no, that's a lot. Fuck it, enough. Oh fuck. Oh my god. I like how I just film all my fails. Is that how it goes? That doesn't seem right. Nope, that's definitely wrong. Ugh. Honestly, I think this is like, no, this can't be the first time I filled up my bike by myself. No. I think I'm just off. Alright. Where can I film me starting it? Straight that way? Okay. Gas everywhere, fuck. Ugh. Aw, don't tell me someone left it in gear, god damn it. God damn it. Nope. It's just a bitch. Oh, it's fine, we got this. See me? Oh no. Oh, I forgot my key. I forgot my key. Fuck. I got the key. Watch out, little kitty. Yeah. She dead. She fucking dead. Turn on the choke. Oh, my knee hurts already. Oh, ah, how did I get so lucky the first time? Ugh. Oh, yeah. So much work. Just focus an arm. Motherfucker! Shit. On. Heel is on. Choke is on. Oh, fuck, this hurts. I can't do it. Hi, sis. It doesn't even sound like it's fucking close. Am I doing something wrong? Start something better. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got it! Yes! Oh wow. So glad I didn't give up. Got it! That was. Why does it sound like a fucking chainsaw? Guys, what the fuck is that sound? The hell's that? Is something gonna blow? I need to know before I fucking ride this thing. What the fuck is going on? Probably just got some leaves in it or something. Anyways, I think she's pretty almost ready. Not sure how this video is going to go. I honestly have no fucking idea if I can even hold the camera while riding, but we'll see. Sound is maybe there's a hornet nest in there. I don't fucking know. All right. Okay. I'm nervous. I should flip this camera around. Oh. I think the choke came off. Alright, here we go. I don't know where I'm going! Woo! That's what she said. So fucking weird. Yeah. I could go faster, but I don't want to do it with one hand. I'm new to the one hand thing. Yeah. The fox sweater was not planned. All my dirt bike outfits are just never fucking planned. It's right here. Ah! Barney! Woo! Ew. Something hit my leg. Can I hear him out? I have to get the hair. Look how pretty that is. Did a full lap around the property. What did you guys think? That was fun! Let me know if you want me to do another video. I don't know if you can hear me. Peace! Oh, my phone's upside down. Ah! It is way funner to do this without recording because I'm not really sure where I'm going, but we're going. Bitch, watch the road. just having to hold my camera. You guys though. It's also weird talking to somebody while dirt biking. I can't go faster. I'm just choosing not to because I'm recording with one hand. Back to the forest. Oh, fuck, I almost missed my turn. Whoa. Gonna sneak up on the cat. That was awesome! Oh, where should we park first? Right here? Ooh! Oh, we're not gonna stall this baby. Oops. And then we kill switch. Whew! Guys! That was literally fucking awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on this ride. I guess it's the first ride I've ever filmed. Yeah, like filming. I know, it's on my phone, it's vertical. I know it's like literally the worst kind of footage you could. God damn it, I can't fucking get this off! I'm helmeted for life. What the fuck did I do? I'm just stuck in this thing all day. There we go. Oh my god. Holy, calm down, bro. Okay. Anywho, yeah, so that was, oh, look at my cheeks. My forehead. Is that because I gained weight? Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. I know that the footage was like shit, but maybe one day I can afford a GoPro or whatever the fuck I would use to film. Let me know if you guys like this footage. And if you do, I'll make more videos and try to do better videos. Maybe I'll try to get someone to film me as I ride. That would be kind of fun too. I literally just went around the property. There's so many beautiful forest trails around where I live that you guys would love to see. I live by rivers and creeks and lakes, so yeah, you guys would absolutely love the footage. I wish I could record more for you today, but unfortunately it's just not going to be great footage of me just holding it, and it's not as fun either because like I did a lap without recording and it was so much fun. Like I was going faster and harder and I was ready to take jumps. It was just so much fun. So please like this video and show your support and subscribe, and it would help me out so much so I can make future videos for you guys. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.